They found fame as one of Britain's first punk rock bands, and later evolved into one of the forerunners of gothic rock. Tonight, the Damned will take centre stage at the second annual concert in memory of Sophie Lancaster. Sophie would have been 22 today. Tonight's event is to raise the profile of her foundation, started in her name.
I wanted to be remembered as she was. She was a proud young girl who stood up for what she believed in, and she was part of the alternative community.
Sophie and her boyfriend Robert Maltby were attacked at Stubby Park in Bacup, targeted because of the way they looked. Brendan Harris and Ryan Herbert were jailed, together with 3 other youths, for their part in the attack. Since then, goths all over the country have campaigned in Sophie's memory against intolerance.
I'd like this campaign and the Sophie Lancaster Foundation to carry on, and in years to come, 10, 15 years, I want us, you know, to be at the forefront of charities nationwide.
Some of Sophie's other favourite bands will join the Damned on stage at the Haywood Civic Centre tonight. Eleanor Moritz, North West Tonight.
I think like punk rock and goth and alternative culture is a universal family, so you know, when we hear about incidents like this, it reminds us of the bad old days and how they should never ever be allowed to happen again.
Stu, I mean, this gig tonight goes under the banner of Stamp Out Prejudice, Hatred and Intolerance Immediately, which are the letters that make up Sophie's name. I mean, is it sort of fairly common for people who follow these alternative cultures to come under that sort of intolerance?
Yeah, I think so. Punk was all about being individual and standing against things like prejudice. It still happens after 30 years. It's like Monk says, it's incredible.
Let's just move down to the very end then to Dave Vanian, because it's a great coup for them to get the Damned to play there tonight. And you, of course, were in the very original band back in 1976, I think it was. What's been the success of the band? Why are you still going strong today, would you say?
Well, hopefully we're still a good band. I hope we're still doing good gigs, you know. And this is a very good gig tonight, very good reason to be here. When we first started, there was trouble, as you've said, but we did think that this would have ended by now, because Britain seems to have been a place where, you know, punk, goth or anything became just, oh, it's those colourful young people, blah, blah, blah. But it still seems to be, you got a little bit of on-the-street gang warfare and people who instantly inspire some kind of negative reaction because they look different than they do or act different. It's a terrible shame.
Of course, we saw that, alas, with Sophie. But thank you very much indeed, Dave, Stu, Monty and Pinch there on the left for talking to us, and have a good one tonight.
Thank you.
Tell people to come along and celebrate life tonight with us all.
Absolutely.